This video shows how to set up a zigzag string on a Megatree within xLights. This is common if you are using seed pixels and you need to start at the bottom of the tree, go up to the top of the tree, and then back down again. So we're going to come up here and we're in the layout and click on New Tree, and I'm just going to draw a tree here. The first thing to do is, of course, set whether you've got a 180, 360, or such. We're going to do a 180 here. And in this particular case, what we're going to do is first describe what each one of these settings do. So this is the number of these strings. So you can see currently we have 16 strings, and then it's going horizontally along the x-axis, and along the y or vertical axis we have 50 pixels per string. Now we have one strand per string. In other words, each output is going to one single output. So if we look at this in the wiring view, what we can see here is that we have string 1, pixel 1, string 1, pixel 2, and it just goes up. And you can see that each one starts a new string. So string 2 starts at the bottom with pixel 1, and so on. Now, we want them to go up and then zigzag and come back down again. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go down here and we're going to change this to 2. So we're going to have a zigzag here. So I'm going to right click on this, look at the wiring view again, and we're going to come back here. And what we see now, so we'll zoom in here, it's a little hard to say. So actually, let's look over here at the 3, because the 1's a little compressed at the edge. So we have string 3, pixel 1, 2, 3. But now you notice that they're spaced out, and you see how you have a 3, string 3, or output 3, 48, 49, 50. So we've got it going up, and then it's coming back down. But now we only have 50 pixels. So we're going to go back in, and we're going to increase the number to 100 pixels. All right, so now we're going to go back in and look at our wiring view again. And let's zoom in. So we'll just take a look at 5 here. So 5 starts here, string 5, output 5. Pixel 1, pixel 2, 3, 4, and you can see that it continues to go up, and then it loops back around, and it's coming back down to 5, 100. So the blue dot indicates the starting location. It goes up, zigzags back around, and comes down. Let's see if it's possible to see at the very top of the tree. It may be a little compressed. Yes, here we go. So if we zoom in here, and we'll just take a look at a string here. Unfortunately, xLights has actually shifted this off. This is not actually the way it really is. The string comes up and then zigzags back around, because normally you're zigzagging at the top of the string. xLights is showing the wrong information here, because you see how it starts on string 7, goes over here. So I'm not sure why that's happening, but that's... oh, and you can see it's changed there. So just a little bug within xLights. So what you want to do is make sure that you have the number of total strings here. This is basically outputs. This is how many pixels are on each output, including the zigzag. This is how many zigzags. Now normally this is going to be 1 at the bottom starting, going up to the top, and then down. So that's 2. And that's how you would end up with this setup.